money out here for all of us not to eat. Like, I don't know why people hate on each other. I really don't.
Right.
Because I feel like anything that you got.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Q, and today we got a new
It's your girl Q, and we is back with the new. And as y'all can see, I'm in the kitchen today about to make some chicken noodle soup. Y'all, I don't know how and when or why, but I'm sick. So yeah, I think the best thing for me to do is to eat some chicken noodle soup. And I'm debating whether I'm gonna add dumplings or just make biscuits on the side, but I did get a can of biscuits. So just bear with me, my voice. Got some drumsticks. You can really use any type of pieces of chicken. And excuse how I look, because I look exactly how I feel. We got some egg noodles. I got the wide one, a sweet potato, and a regular potato. I got the sweet potato just because I like sweet potatoes. And I got a red onion, I got mixed veggies, and I got chicken broth. So I'm going to start off by cutting up my veggies, and then I'll be right back.
Loving your energy, perhaps it was the way that you smile. I see you, boy. Oh, I need you, boy. 'Cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you, to find someone like you. Yeah, yeah, 'cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you, to find someone like you. Baby, I want this to last forever. Oh yeah. Baby, I want this. Can we make this last forever? Oh yes. Ooh, 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 ooh,
Like, I'll be telling people, like, it's too much money out here for all of us not to eat. Like, I don't know why people hate on each other. I really don't.
Right.
Because I feel like anything that you got, literally.
Do you remember when we fell in love? We were young and innocent then. Do you remember how it all began? It just seemed like this. So I did it, and do you remember? You beat my back and forth.
Yeah, we had that
Do you remember?
so you never had a dose? Alright, y'all, so this is the finishing touches. It is so freaking good. This is my second bowl. My friend has some as well, and she said it was bomb. So just zoom in on that. You see that dumpling right there? Yummy, yummy, yummy. About to go to bed because I'm about to take some NyQuil and go to bed. As y'all see, that's my chicken soup recipe, dumpling recipe. You can also put your own twist on it as long as you got the chicken, the water, the broth. Yeah, we got soup and vegetable. So again, I made a big old pot of it too. Look at that. Yes. Still the dumpling. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If y'all want to see more recipes and stuff like that. Easy, you know, one pot, big pot. Because they couldn't feed the whole family all that recipe. Comment below and let me know. Thank you. Come again.